everybody and welcome back to another On The Table video. So guys, what are we going to be looking at this time? Well, we're going to be looking at something pretty cool. Well, I say pretty cool. In fact, actuality, I've not actually done an awful lot. I've done a little bit of hobbying, but really all it entails is building a single model. Basically been busy with life stuff recently, and yeah, stuff's just got in the way. That one model I've built, guys, is this little cheeky chappy here. This is an Eversor Assassin. I'd never owned an Eversor Assassin before, one of the new ones anyway. I've owned the two of the previous metal ones, but because I was an idiot child, I hacked them up as trophies to put on my orcs. Such a fucking idiot. Have you guys ever done that? Have you guys ever, like, hacked up a model when you were younger and, like, regretted it massively when you're older? Leave a comment in the doobly-doo down below. Let me know if you've ever done anything like that. That would be cool to hear from you guys. Yeah, so Eversor Assassin, really cool. I've not gone for the whole crazy thing that he's got. Like, he comes with this gigantic piece of terrain, and he's, like, leaping off a wall, and I didn't like that, so I thought, fuck it, I'm going to put it on, like, a regular base, have him charging. I've used this guy once in battle, and he didn't really work out too well, mainly because this guy is designed to terrorize basic troops, so things like Eldar Guardians, things like Guardsmen, Tau Fire Warriors, Orc Boys, that kind of stuff. Really, really not designed to go up against a Doomsday Ark and win. I don't know why I did that. I think I just wanted to charge him at something and like send him away to bother something like that, but yeah, didn't do so well, so I'm going to have to try and field him in another list somehow. But anyway, let's get into the details of the actual model itself. I really, really like this guy. He's got lots of detail, and his pose is so dynamic. I'm a massive fan of dynamic movement in miniatures. So yeah, we've got this crazy needle gun thing here, which is currently bent. I may just clip that off. I know I shouldn't, but look at how bent it is, and that is going to snap off fairly soon, I reckon. Yeah, it's really nice. He's got this cool like backpack on here with all these like combat stims in. I don't know what this like weird little thing is here. This little torch, this little sensor up there. It's cool. And one of the things I do like, I love how utterly terrifying that skull is. If you saw that charging at you with its red, dead eyes glowing at you, you would fucking shit a brick and do one. And then also I realised just how fucking jacked he is. This guy has skipped no days in the gym at all. Look at them abs. You could fucking grate cheese on those abs. That's fucking nuts. You know what else you could grate cheese with? You know what else you could slice vegetables with? That fucking claw. How epic does that claw look? Really, really cool. So, I was pretty chuffed with this. I'm going to paint this guy up probably in a couple of days and see how he looks, and then try and use him in another army. But I have some other stuff to show you guys. I've been dabbling with a bit of D&D as well recently, and when I was at Goblin Gaming, that's right guys, Goblin Gaming, awesome place by the way. If you haven't been, check it out. Google Goblin Gaming and go down to it. It's in Northwich in the UK. Sorry guys, if you are not in the UK, you can't actually go, but if you're in the UK and you can get to Northwich, it's bloody brilliant. Really, really nice place, really chilled out, really relaxed. But anyway, I've been experimenting with a bit of D&D with some friends, and we're actually doing D&D with miniatures this time. So I picked up this really, really good price, only a £5. I was really happy with this. So this is D&D. This is actually, well, I don't even know what. It's the proper D&D brand, I believe. It's WizKids. And I've never had any miniatures of these before. It remind me of HeroClix quite a bit. Interestingly, they come pre-primed, ready, paint ready out of the box. HD miniatures. Now we'll see how HD they are in a little bit as I take them out of the box. But this indeed, guys, is a Tiefling Rogue, because my character in this new D&D that I'm doing is a Tiefling Rogue. Coincidence? I think not. Really, really cool, really interesting character. They're like half devils or half demons, so they have like demon, like basically demon and human interbreeding, like way, way back in a family's timeline, and then occasionally out pops a Tiefling. Really, really cool. They normally have like red skin and like horns. This is two variants of Tiefling Rogues. I think that's really good. You get two miniatures for a £5. It's pretty decent. But we're actually going to see how HD they are. So I'm just going to open these guys up, and we're going to have a little look at them. Let me just zoom out a little bit so we can get this little unboxing underway. Reminds me, yeah, wow. Okay, so these remind me. Why can't I get them out? Come out! Come out of your plastic prison! Yeah, these remind me of HeroClix massively. I don't know if they're resin or not. They feel... Oh, do I... they feel they're kind of rubbery. They basically, they really feel like the Hero Clicks kind of like soft on plastic they have. Ugh. Oh, those bases are fucking horrible. Like fucking tiddlywinks. Fucking tiddlywinks. Ooh. Fuck off. I'll be putting proper bases on these guys and basing them up proper nice like. Let's zoom in and have a look at some of the detail, shall we? So, really nice. A decent bit of detail there. But like I said, they're pre-primed, so they should take paint straight away. The detail's kind of crisp. There's kind of there's some flashing. We got some serious flashing going on here. Is my camera going to focus? Yes, it is. Ooh, kind of. No, it doesn't like that. I'm going to have to zoom out a touch. There we go. So we got some flash around the shoulders and ooh, some flash on the tail here, and they're not the highest quality. It's got to be said, but what can you expect for something that's a $5 for 2 miniatures? But all they are really is representations of the D&D character, you know. They're just to help you, with like placement and stuff. But I don't know which ones I like the look of. I may swap these blades out because they just look shit. I might see if I have something in my bits box. So he's got like kunai on this one. Kind of sneaky in. I like this guy that's kind of like charging with his face. I like that better. I like that face better than this face, mainly because there's a little bit more detail. I can't tell. So he's kind of got like a long hair going on. He's kind of got a ponytail. Yeah, I prefer this guy a bit better. I like his like shoulder thing. He's got like a proper Geralt of Rivia like vibe going on with his collar and the way his like outfit is. He's got some nice greaves and yeah, that's pretty cool. His tail needs a little bit of work though. Like I said, I think I'm definitely have to do a lot of cleanup on these miniatures and give them some better bases and things. But we'll see. I think, which one shall I paint? So I like that one with his thing hanging down, but at the same time, I really don't like how it's molded. Yeah, I think we're gonna go with this one. Oh, for you guys that are interested in my character name, I took a little bit of inspiration from 40k. My tiefling is going to be called Solomon Locke, because I think that's just a really cool name for a half-demon kind of character. And yes, he is also named after an Inquisitor in a Forge World Inquisitor for 40k. But yeah, so I think I'm going to use him. Really, really cool. I also got something else as well. Nothing much really to show you, but just something that I'm going to be working on as well. I have had huge success in gaming with the Tarax pattern drill from the Forge World rules. Obviously, you guys know that I use the Warpath one for Mantic Vermin Tunneler. So as a result, I bought another one. There it is. So I'm going to have 2 drills running around. They're just fucking insane. And you run them at people and you just like grind up troops with them. It's just great. Plus it gives my AdMech some real flexibility in regards to deploying, because I actually fucking hate that fucking hovercraft that came out recently. I really hate the bastard. So these are going to be my transports from the time being. But anyway, guys, that being said, I'm going to have to end this video. Sorry it's only been a short one. Sorry I've only shown you a little bit of stuff, but I promise you I will have more in the next video. But anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I will see you now, and goodbye.